Welcome everyone. In this blog post I wanted to include a short video on visualizing extending core blocks in WordPress to customize a theme to add features that the theme developer didn't include, and show you how relatively simple the concept is, even though the CSS part of it is a little bit on the tricky side. So this is the new 2021 theme that will be released as early as next week with the next version of WordPress. And these two buttons here are the default buttons, and these are the new buttons that I will be that I've created using this process. So we're going to go ahead and look at the editor real quick, and you'll notice that fill and outline are the two originals, and then small and small outline are the new versions. So in order to create this for both the front end of the website and the editor, needed a little bit of work. So we created a small child theme, and within this theme I created a folder called blocks, where I bring in my React.js. So you'll see that right here. Let me see if I can open this file. The React.js has a name and a label for each of the two new buttons, which is repeated over here. So the label is small and small outline, so you'll see that here. And then small button and small outline button is what's used for the CSS portion, which we have right here. So you'll notice that is style small button and is small outline button is similar to those slugs. So in the first portion here, we are overriding the font size and the padding, which creates these smaller buttons. And then in the following portions, we are overriding some necessary styles in the theme to allow for color changes and basic customization. So for instance, if we want the background to be white, this allows the user to change the background very easily without having to rely on some like convoluted code, basically. So let's see here. Go into here, and we can change that really quick. Update it, reload the page, and we've got that change. Kind of cool, right? And then of course we can go into dark mode. You'll see that we have dark mode here as one of these is dark mode. Oh, sorry. Is dark theme. This is the dark mode that overrides the colors for the dark mode. And then down here we're doing some background work and pulling in some variables. And that's pretty much it.